This video demonstrates how a patient can book an appointment online. Open the Medicas app. Tap Book Appointment on the home screen. Select a specialty. Tap on the physician's profile picture or name to view their details. Choose Video Consultation and select a time slot. Tap Add Complaint and enter your symptoms or issues in the box provided. Tap Upload Files to add any supporting documents like rest results, referrals, previous prescriptions, etc. Click Confirm and make payment. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the payment. To revisit your confirmed appointment, you can tap on the Appointments tab at the bottom of the screen. Your appointment will be displayed under the Upcoming Appointments list. Thank you.